Welcome to Unlock the Power of Neem, a holistic health game changer. Sometimes the most frustrating problems are the small ones that just won't go away. Think about that patch of dry, itchy skin that flares up for no reason, making you feel self-conscious in your clothes. Or consider the nagging, dull ache in your gums, a problem that makes every sip of a cold drink a tiny gamble. These aren't life-threatening, but they are relentless. They're the background noise of modern life, chipping away at your comfort and peace of mind. You start searching for a simple solution that doesn't rely on a complicated chemical cocktail. That search is why so many are turning back to nature. We're tired of harsh side effects and yearn for something simpler, more grounded and intuitive. People want remedies that stood the test of time, solutions our ancestors might have used. Enter the Neem tree, an ancient South Asian plant, a cornerstone of traditional wellness for centuries. Known as the village pharmacy, its leaves, bark and oil have been used for skin care and dental hygiene. This is your gateway to understanding Neem in plain, simple terms over the next 10 minutes. So what is this Neem we keep talking about? In the simplest terms, Neem is a tree. It's an evergreen. It keeps its leaves all year round. It thrives in warm climates. India, Pakistan, Myanmar. Its scientific name is Azadirachta indica. In South Asia, it's woven into daily life, often planted near homes as a living medicine cabinet. Almost every part has a purpose. Leaves, crushed into a paste, dried into a powder, steeped in water. The bark, used in traditional powders and extracts. Seeds are cold-pressed into neem oil, a potent, pungent liquid. Even small twigs serve as disposable, natural toothbrushes. Neem appears in ancient Sanskrit texts, over 4,000 years old, and is a cornerstone of Ayurveda. Generations pass down practical knowledge from grandmother to grandchild. It's not a fad, it has cultural weight. History doesn't make it a miracle, but it is compelling. People keep returning to this humble tree time and time again. There's a noticeable shift in how we think about our health and the products we use every day. We become more cautious, more questioning, squinting at names we can't pronounce. Concern over synthetics is expanding the natural aisle. We want cleaner, simpler options aligned with how our bodies work. Cost matters. Modern care can be expensive. Natural options may be more accessible. In some places, Neem grows outside. Elsewhere, it's a budget-friendly product. Using plant remedies feels empowering and proactive. It's self-reliance, choosing something wholesome and life-affirming. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Education and responsibility are key. This isn't about rejecting modern medicine. It's about thoughtful integration. A neem paste for a small bite can coexist with a prescription for a serious infection. A balanced toolkit makes the search for greener options smart and sustainable. One of Neem's most celebrated uses is skin health. For occasional dry patches, mild itchiness or minor outbreaks, Neem can be a gentle ally. A leaf paste or diluted oil may soothe irritation and calm redness without harsh chemicals. In dental care, neem twigs, datum, have been used for centuries. Fibers help scrub. Juices are believed to reduce plaque and freshen breath. Today, toothpastes and mouthwashes often include neem extract. For plants, properly diluted neem oil repels pests. It disrupts their life cycle rather than killing outright, a favorite in organic farming and home gardening. Some repellents for skin include neem. Never use concentrated garden-grade oil on your body. So how does a leaf do this? The secret lies in complex chemistry. Neem contains hundreds of compounds. Limonoids are key. Azadirachtin disrupts insect hormones, why gardeners prize neem oil. For us, neem shows cleansing and calming properties. Lab studies observe effects on certain bacteria and fungi. A paste might calm a minor blemish. A neem mouthwash leaves a very clean feel. By making it harder for microbes to thrive, balance can be restored. Often used for itchy scalps like dandruff and minor rashes. Science is still catching up, traditional use is strong, large trials remain limited. Getting started doesn't have to be complicated. Begin with simple, external applications. Make a quick paste. Crush fresh or dried leaves with a little water. Clean the area, apply a thin layer, leave 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Always perform a patch test first. For hair, choose a gentle shampoo listing Neem as a primary ingredient. Start once a week. Or steep leaves 15 minutes, cool, and use as a final scalp rinse. Pour slowly over the scalp after conditioning. For gardening, buy cold-pressed neem oil labeled for horticulture. Mix 1 teaspoon oil with half a teaspoon gentle biodegradable soap per liter of water. Shake well and cover leaf undersides too. For dental care, simply swap to a Neem toothpaste or mouthwash. Or chew a neem twig from a reputable source. Do not swallow toothpaste or mouthwash. These simple swaps add Neem's cleansing touch to daily life with minimal effort. Start small, observe, and build only if it suits you. Neem is wonderful but powerful. Treat it with respect. Apply a tiny amount to a discrete area, cover, and wait 24 hours. If redness, itching, or burning occur, wash off and do not use. Avoid internal Neem if pregnant, breastfeeding, or trying to conceive. Do not give Neem orally to infants or young children. If you have liver, kidney, or autoimmune conditions, consult your physician first. Neem can interact with medicines, especially diabetes, blood pressure, and immunosuppressants. It may lower blood sugar. Speak to your doctor or pharmacist before oral use. If a rash worsens or fever, oozing, or significant pain appear, stop and seek care. Toothache, bleeding gums, or a sore that won't heal require a dentist. Systemic reactions demand immediate cessation and seek medical attention if severe. In the end, the story of Neem is simple. A humble, resilient tree offering its gifts for thousands of years. Leaves to soothe skin, twigs to clean teeth, and oil to protect our gardens. This isn't about miracle cures. It's about informed, balanced choices. Start small. Pick one low-risk application. Maybe a Neem toothpaste on your next shop. Observe what happens. Listen to your body and adjust. Blend ancient wisdom with common sense. The knowledge here is your map. You steer the ship. Discover what 10 minutes of understanding can change. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.